Good morning, everyone. I hope you're woken up well. And today, I'm going to show you how to make multi-purpose liquid soap. And first things first, I'm going to head to town and show you where I buy these chemicals. And we will come back and we make the soap. Here we are at OTC. You can see Equity and Quickmart. So there is a corridor in between there. So the shop is just somewhere upstairs. Okay. This is the corridor between Equity and Quickmart, which was Tuskys before. We just go through there and climb the stairs that are in front of us. And this is our shop, Chemcare Enterprises Limited. This is a place where you can get all the chemicals you want for the detergents, the stain removers, the degreasers. If you want any type of chemical, just come to this place. They sell at a good price and of good quality. And if you cannot understand any of the processes, kindly ask them. As you can see, this guy here is explaining to someone how to mix this. I don't know what she was buying, but they explain to you how to do it. So here is for my 20-liter chemicals for making multipurpose liquid soap. And as you can see, they are all measured. You don't have to go back and measure, but if you want to go and confirm the measurements, well and good, but I don't think there is any need. If you need 10 liters of the liquid soap, just tell them that you want 10 liters of the soap and they'll give you the chemicals measured for 10 liters. This is 20 liters. So just tell them you want either 10 liters, 5 liters, any quantity. They have already measured them all for you. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you that these guys do not take M-Pesa. You have to come with cash. So I had to go back downstairs, withdraw some cash, and come for my chemicals. Thank you. We now have our chemicals. Let's go and make the soap. And I'm going to show you another shop here upstairs. There is a shop that sells chemicals. This one there, it's called Quality Chemicals Enterprise. It also sells detergents. So here we are. And these are the bits that I bought. I'm going to show you them one by one. First of all, you have to take our precautions. I have to put my mask on because some of the chemicals are so, they are corrosive. Here are my glass. Put on your glass. We are making 20 liter soap. And as you can see, I have my 20 liter of water here ready. I have my basin over here. I have my liter jug. And I have something to stir with. I have a longer one here. So here is our ungaro or Texapon. It is a thickener and a foam booster. It is 1 liter. Here we have sulfonic acid or ufacid, which is half liter. And next we have industrial salt. This is 1 kg. It is not the normal salt, it is industrial salt. Next we have caustic soda, 50 grams, and it helps in sulfonication. It is very acidic and it helps the soap to lather well. Then we have CMC, which is 30 grams, and the STP, which is 25 grams. Then we have CDE, which is the foam booster. It is 20 grams for the 20 liters. Next we have our color, I decided to go with green. As you can see, my basin is blue. Yeah, you can use color blue, you can use green. Some people use pink. This is lemon perfume. There are different types of perfumes. This is lemon. There is lavender, chantia, any kind of scent that you want. Just tell them to give you. These are a total of 9 products. Which are the main products? If you decide to improve the quality of your soap, you can add others like soda ash, SLS, nitrosol, but these are the main products of making a soap. And so let's get started. First, you pour your Texapon or unga into your basin. Some people package this unga into nylon papers because as you can see it is very thick and getting out is very hard. But I'm going to show you how I get rid of the excess unga that is left in the bottle. It is so thick. It's a thickener and a foam booster. You can see how much is left in the bottle, but I'll show you the trick I use to get rid of it. Next, we add our sulfonic acid or ufacid. After that, you mix well until it turns to white. So now we are going to mix until it turns white. Next, add your industrial salt and mix. This is not the normal salt, the normal cooking salt. It is industrial salt. It looks like brown sugar. You add it into the mixture and mix it completely. Remember I told you I'll show you how I remove the extra Texapon from the bottle. We use the industrial salt. You pour in a little salt into the bottle. Then you add water, a little water, and shake it off. You shake it and then you rinse it off. Now stir the 3 chemicals together very well until they are completely mixed. Next, we are going to add in our caustic, but this caustic reacts with water. So we are going to measure 1 liter of water. Then we pour the caustic into the water because it generates heat. Caustic is very dangerous. You have to be careful while using it. Pour it into water and not the other way around. If you touch this water, it is warm. Caustic generates heat when it reacts with water, so you have to be careful. Next, we add our STPP and our CMC. You can put them directly into the chemicals, the other chemicals, the mixture, or you can dissolve them in a different container with water separately, then pour into the mixture. Anyhow, it will do. You have to be careful with these chemicals, how you dispose them. If you have children at home, kindly be careful as you dispose because they are very dangerous. A child can come and just put them into their mouth, and I can't imagine what would happen. As you can see, I'm making this soap outside because they produce fumes. Make in a well ventilated place or outside as I am doing. Then we are adding in our liter of water. You remember that we added some salt into these bottles to get rid of the Texapon and the sulfonic acid that was left in the bottle. And this is how you do it to remove the excess. You just shake it and rinse it. Remember, this is the 2nd liter that we are using. The 1st liter is the one we used to mix the caustic. We are making 20 liters of soap, so we are using 20 liters of water. So you should be careful to count the number of liters that you're making. This is our 2nd liter. Oops. As you can see, our bottle is clean now. Now mix them so well. Kindly don't add any water until the salt is completely dissolved. And here we are. Mix well. You can see my soap here has dissolved so well. After here, it is so simple. You just add the remaining water, the 20 liters of water, but add just one after the other while mixing. Mix them well. Add a liter or two as you mix well until the 20 liters is finished. We are making 20 liters soap, so we put 20 liters of water. Mix it so well. And now our soap is ready. As you can see, it is ready and thick. And the last thing you are going to add, this is 19 liters of water. This is the last liter of our 20 liters. And you are going to use it to mix the color. You are going to mix the color into this. Then the last thing is the perfume. We are going to mix the perfume after the color. That's our last liter. Then we have the perfume. We mix it together. Here it is. Mix completely. You can see how thick it is. You can see how thick the soap is. So now our soap is ready. Our soap is ready. So we have to leave it. You can see how thick our soap is. So we are going to leave it. You can leave it overnight until it all this foam is gone. Yes. This is hours later. As you can see, the foam has reduced, but your soap is ready for use. You can use it anytime from now. It is so ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You can make business out of this soap. This was the first business I started. It taught me entrepreneurship and it made me good money. So guys, you can start it. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe so that you won't miss the next video.